Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making an old VW bus pinata. First I'm going to need to design it in a 3D modeling program to make it easier to cut up. This is the tool that I use to cut it up, Pepakura. Those are all the parts. Once I separate them all, I can attach them to my paper and begin to cut. Once I got all the cutting out of the way, it's time to piece it all together by matching up all the numbers and taping them together. After several minutes of this, I realized I needed some help. So I asked my friend. So I showed her how to piece it all together and how to find the pieces and then put them together, but she seemed very uninterested and walked away. So I was on my own again. Just continue matching up all the numbers and taping it together until the bus starts taking shape. After all that taping, you could see it finally coming together. And before it's too late, glue the rope into the corners. My bus is going to need some windows, so I got this little clear folder and cut up little pieces and glued them into place. Now it's time to line up the roof, and there you go, the body of the VW bus pinata. Once you have that all put together, you could start putting on your cray paper. My bus is going to be yellow. What I started using was spray glue to hold the cray paper to the pinata. And now for the final little touches. Just take your time and line up the front. That way when you get to the back of the bus, everything lines up. And time for the lights. I used part of the rope for the bumper. To add a little bit of color to the project, I made a roof rack with a surfboard. And now attaching the last little piece, the VW logo. And now it's complete. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and like and subscribed. I'll see you next time.